Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Firmware V2. X and battery at least 50% because unstable power or old firmware causes dropped frames. Next, attach the cleaned objective and secure the mount. This ensures consistent focus. Once done, power on the Bokeh camera in Vivo T3 and immediately enable Wi-Fi or connect via USB if you prefer tethered control. Make sure to choose the same network or confirm device pairing because the app and camera need a stable link to negotiate exposure and capture parameters. You now configure the imaging parameters deliberately. Pick live for observation, time-lapse for long experiments, or high speed for fast events. Choose frame rate between 30 and 120 FPS based on motion. Then adjust exposure, gain, and ISO while watching the histogram to prevent highlight clipping or lost blacks. Once exposure is stable, define a region of interest and run the autofocus routine. This reduces data size and improves throughput. Finally, enable stabilization and motion filter. You finish by initiating recording and monitoring real-time telemetry, frame rate, buffer health, and temperature, so you can stop early if issues arise. After capture, verify file integrity on the camera or tethered PC, then export using your preferred codec and resolution for analysis. If you encounter dropped frames, frozen preview, or failed saves, reboot the camera and tether, check cables and storage health, and reset network settings. If an error code appears, note it and retry, because that code guides a targeted fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.